Hey, good evening, and thanks for having us in. Things are changing next week for Wisconsin when it comes to the pandemic. Anyone 16 and older can get a COVID-19 vaccine on Monday, and then Wednesday, Dane County will ease up on its strict mask policy. Dane County's new public health order was announced today. Here are some of the other takeaways besides the mask policy. Self-service food stations like buffets can open again, along with saunas and steam rooms. Now, while these changes are exciting, it'll take a while for some of our favorite larger events in Madison to return. Adam Dexter joins us live from downtown with when exactly that could be. Adam?
Well, the new health order certainly paves the way for things like the farmers market and concerts on the square to return. Those I spoke with today say that doesn't necessarily mean they're going to come back right away.
As the coronavirus begins to loosen its grip on Wisconsin, more and more people are taking to downtown areas like State Street in Madison to eat, shop, and get together. Public health leaders say each day we're getting one step closer.
This summer will be much closer to normal than last. And that's because we've followed the science.
And today announced arguably the biggest step forward yet by eliminating capacity restrictions as well as a mask requirement for outdoor events.
We're hopeful that we'll have a lot more events this summer. And we just need to make sure that we continue to do that in a way that's safe.
Those who help organize events say they couldn't be happier.
So these events are important, they're vital, and they're really going to help with our recovery as a community. Events are actually vital to our retail and our restaurant scene downtown. Pre-COVID, we found that 70% of people shopped downtown after attending an event.
Tiffany Kenny of the Madison Central Business Improvement District says despite this, it'll likely be July or August before you can expect to see downtown concerts and markets return, saying that's out of an abundance of caution.
No, I think they're doing a good job in slowly reopening. What they do say is there's no cap, but they still want to make sure there's lots of distance, right? So we're looking at all those nuances.
Right now, they're really looking at the numbers when it comes to guiding these new health orders. And today, those numbers here in Dane County are the lowest they've been since late last summer. And Kenny says the date you want to keep your eye on is coming up soon, April 14th. And she says that's when the Dane County Farmers Market and concerts on the square could first get their permits from the city of Madison.